Welcome to Arun Biology Forum. So in this video, an important information. I am going to share a very important information in this video. So on behalf of Arun Bio Lab, okay, Arun Bio Lab, I am going to offer a free project service. I am going to offer a free project service for the final year life science students. So if you are undergoing any life science, you are eligible for this contest. So this will be like a contest. Okay, so you have to write your you have to make a one page write up about your project idea, and you have to send that. If you are interested in participating in this contest, means you can prepare a write up of your research idea and send that to my email id. I will give my email id in the description box of this particular video. Okay, so why this contest means, what is the aim of this contest means, this contest mainly aim to support the talented people, okay, talented young people, because for doing projects we need chemicals, so many chemicals we need a lab space, everything we need, right? So in order to what to say, in order to help the talented students, I decided to let three people into my lab totally free of cost. Okay, so all the chemicals, whatever the equipments you want to use, you can use. Basic equipments you can use, then chemicals you can, whatever the chemicals available in my lab you can use. Okay, the duration I will tell later, the duration of this particular project. Okay, so if you want to participate in this project, you have to fulfill two condition. One is the first condition is you must be the subscriber of my channel. Okay, you must be the subscriber of this Arun Biology Forum channel. That is the first criteria. The second thing is you have to you have to make a write up. Okay, either you can use MS Word, you type in MS Word, or you can um, what you can do means, you can just write in a A4 sheet paper and take a photograph and mail it to me, but it should be clear. Okay, so that I will it will be easy for me to review. Okay, look into that particular idea. So this is the thing. And ask your friends also to participate in this project contest, so that it will be very useful. And one more important thing is, this project contest is open only to the Tamil Nadu students. Okay, not outside Tamil Nadu, because due to this COVID situation, they may not able to come. So in order to having that in my mind, I decided only to include students inside Tamil Nadu. So maybe in the future, in the forthcoming years, I will extend the opportunity to other state students also. Okay, so kindly bear with this inconvenience. So Tamil Nadu students, what you can do means, if you are interested, you can participate in this. So three of the participants will get the chance to work in my lab their entire final year project. Okay, so it may be of microbiology or whatever the field it is. Okay, so the next similar after selection, so another condition in this contest is, I will provide only lab space. Okay, lab space and the chemicals. Regarding your accommodation and food, you have to take care of. Okay, so the accommodation and food, the students have to take care of. Regarding the lab space and the instruments and chemicals, I will take care. Okay, so these are the things. So the duration for this project write up, you have to submit your write up by the end of December. Okay, that is the last date. Okay, the end of this month is the last date for submitting the project write up. So I encourage all the students who are watching this video to utilize this opportunity. You will be really it will really be helpful to you, so that I will deliver whatever I will deliver the knowledge whatever I gained throughout these years in this field of biotechnology. Okay, and many more project ideas I will suggest you. Okay, so this is it. And While another important thing is, in that write up you have to mention your name, then which I mean that MSc or MTech or BTech, that you have to mention, and the college name, that is compulsorily necessary. Okay, so you have to mention the college name, and you have to mention your native place. Okay, so native place also you have to mention. Okay, these are the things you need to mention. No need to share other details and all. After selection I will direct you what to do, how to reach here, and how to do the other things, everything. Okay, so once again I encourage all of you to actively participate in this project contest and utilize this opportunity. Okay, thank you.